Calculate the frequency of a square wave that completes 380 cycles in 30 microseconds. Again, we are going to write everything, whatever is given. We have 380 cycles and time 30 microseconds. We have to find the frequency. Please realize that frequency you can calculate from the formula 1 divided by the period. We don't have period. In order to find period, you're supposed to divide the time by the number of cycles. So I'm going to have 30 microseconds divided by 380 cycles is going to give me period 78.94 nanoseconds. This is the period. Next, we can find the frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 over t. In this case, it's going to be 1 over 78.94 nanoseconds. This is going to be equal 12.66 megahertz. And this is the solution to my problem.